Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G71 5G, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the system. And as you can see on the fourth position, we've got date and time, so simply enter it. And here we've got some options which we can or we could customize, because as you can see they are not active, but of course no worries. We have to simply turn off the network provided time and time zone just by tapping on those switches here. And as you can see, all of the options are active right now, so we can freely tap on it. And after tapping on a date, we will see this calendar, and from it we can pick the date we want to use. So let me pick, for example, this one. Alright, it can be. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time. After tapping on it, we will be provided with this clock from which we can pick the hour and the minutes, of course. But if you do not like this option, simply tap on the small keyboard icon, and as you can see you will be able to type in the time. It's up to you, of course. I will stick with this clock, so let me pick something like that. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see it will be immediately changed and applied to the status bar. We can also change the time zone. Just tap on it, tap on the region, and as you can see we will be transferred to the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So all we have to do right now is to simply find the one we would like to set and tap on it. So let me randomly pick this one. Alright, it can be. And as you can see it has been immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. As far as I remember, I've set like 10 o'clock, 10:50. And right now it's 9:50. And under it we've got also the options to customize connected to the time format. Right now we are using local default, but of course you can set it or decide, let's say decide manually. Just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see you can either stick to 24-hour format, this option is right now applied, or you can use 12-hour format just by turning off this one. And as you can see it will again be automatically updated. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings just by using 3 switchers to use network provided time and the time zone. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your Motorola Moto G71 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.